Little update. Been kind of busy. We finished this room, the guest room. Let me teach you. Entry door, master bedroom, guest room. This will be the closet. This I just put up temporary. We're not going to work on that part of the house right yet. This is just temporary. I'm going to have a temporary door here. And then this is the guest room I finally got finished. That's just a white primer. Windows got all put in. They're all finished out. Well, I didn't finish it. I have to trim out the doors, put the doors on. Finished this closet out. Of course, this was the master bedroom. Okay, now I'm back in here. I've already made some progress. I got some shower walls up. They're kind of temporary. I had to do some work to them. I had to put this wood in there to reinforce the shower door area. I think we're just going to end up putting curtain rods, a curtain rod and a shower rod curtain. But this is what I got. Got to be moving on next. Some sheetrock. Plumbing has to be finished. And this cabinet still has to be finished. I'm doing that so I can foam. I foamed the back to level it. And I want to put some more to set the pan on. Some expansion foam. You know what? I'll show you what I'm doing. I put the foam on it to level it. It wasn't perfectly level, so I get proper drainage. And I'm foaming it that way it's got foam to sit on to keep it sturdy. Oh, almost got that on my shoe. Talking about. No. Get in here. Get in here.
Keep your feet on that stuff. I don't think that one. Maybe not.
Screw in there, I guess. Yeah, I'm really stepping all over in it. Alexa, cancel. I was just going to show you what I did to this shower walls. I put board and foam in there to strengthen up the shelves from the other side. And this one here because it's lower, and I'm sure somebody might use it as a footrest. And then on the walls themselves, on opposite sides, I backed the whole opening so that I could sew a curtain rod or shower door could be mounted on the inside. That's where a shower door or curtain rod could go. So that'll strengthen it up.